Hey ho, sports fans, dissertation fans, dissertation candidates, Dr. Palermo with a week 7 message for my EDCI 701 Charlotte cohort about annotated bibliographies. You should be reading widely, dissertations and otherwise, reading in your area of interest. And so you're just reading. And in APA, you should be citing the sources that you are reading. And in APA, they don't call it a bibliography, they call it a resource list. But a bibliography is simply a resource list that's cited correctly. You've got the author and the title of the book or the magazine, the journal, and the publication, location, and publisher, the date. So citing that correctly is a bibliography. What's an annotated bibliography? Well, there's some resources here, and check them out, please. Watch the video or look at the example here of paraphrasing sources. But as you're reading, you're starting to write your dissertation. Not yet, but you're starting to collect facts. And in the bad old days, I did this on 3x5 cards, and each little fact or paraphrase or quote that I pulled from my sources, I wrote on a 3x5 card. You're going to do that electronically in your annotated bibliography. So a bibliography that also has some notes in it, paraphrasing what the author is saying, quoting directly what the author is saying, or bringing big ideas down to small size so that you can capture it and include it in your dissertation. That's the idea of an annotated bibliography. How much? When you submit your annotated bibliography assignment to me at the end of the semester, week 14, I think it's due, it's going to be a list of at least 10 different resources, 10 different books or articles or magazines, sources about your topic. 3 of those at least should be dissertations. And under each, a paragraph, 2 paragraphs, a page. It's up to you how much you pull out of these books at this time as notes to submit for this assignment. But again, don't worry about the assignment so much as think about what are you gleaning from these resources that are going to help answer your research questions. Quotes, and cite them and put the page number, or many times we're paraphrasing and pulling others' ideas and citing them. So if it's a direct quote, make sure that, again, you're doing that in APA style. If you're pulling big ideas or just making notes to yourself, gee, I really like this book, I want to come back and read it later, that's part of the annotation as well. Okay? I hope I've explained that. If not, write to me and ask, and I'll try to clarify it. Look forward to seeing you again soon in Charlotte. In the meantime, work on. Write to me if you have a question.